今天来看鲸鱼和海鹦鹉下雨。
是个水系，水系上。OK。
Yes, there is.
It's going to be a dangerous place. The kids are running around, they're going to get hurt. In fact, if adults are running around, they're going to get hurt. So all I'm telling you is not to jump. On the last trip out, I got bored and I counted all the birds. I counted 357,212. Can't guarantee you whales because they have tails and are always going up and down. They're moving about, so keep a sharp eye on the choice in the country. Lots of fun in the trash. Try to remember the story. Down there in the back, you can say hi to April. No, we're going to do our very best, but of course we can't guarantee it. The whales are feeding right now. They are here to feed on a little smelt-like fish called piglet. So we're going to keep a sharp eye, okay? What you're looking for with the whales, especially with the humpbacks, that's the type of whales we had on this morning's tour. You're looking for a black back, a dorsal fin, and that's here. Up on the ceiling, if you're not too short to reach them, I'm sorry, anyone who is. But they are here, they are
all very, very wet, but this is the best opportunity for you to see those beautiful puffins. No one's wrong enough to see them like you were see the whales here, Ruthbun. So folks, Gull Island is the largest island in the descendant of the great auk, which was a flightless bird that is actually extinct here. So the puffins are those little birds up there with their white chest out, black backs, orange feet, and orange on island in late April. Here, they'll have those black beaks and feet like this. And they thought, what could they do to prevent this? So they began a group called the Puffin Patrol. It was literally just... We're going to kick down the tunes. Oh, maybe we're going to have Luke play us a tune. Yeah, why don't Luke play us a tune on the wind?
Great idea.
Yeah, Luke, play us a tune on the accordion now while we're sailing back in. Woo! And all. You're all ready. Come on, you're all ready. Wait. Come on, Matthew. Excellent. What's it called, Matthew?
Already cold.
Yes, you're already cold. That's the bucket of North Atlantic we just got from Gull Island. This is the Ashley, mention April, the best tour guides ever over. It's our honorary Newfoundlander's birthday. Happy birthday, Matthew. Day to